How to use the spot welding function of the P30 digital power supply. When you receive the product, it comes with a pack of nickel sheets, a set of spot welding probes. Plug the spot welding probe into the power supply connection port and enter the spot welding app on the screen. It will automatic charging for the first use. For iPhone battery spot welding, first spot welding, adjust the gear to 10. Interval time, adjust to 10 milliseconds. Second spot welding, gears 55. Adjust the power to 50%. The length of the probe is adjustable, but it must be tightened. First, disassemble the nickel sheet and test it. Spot welding tips. First, press one of the probe firmly against the nickel sheet. The other probe is tilted 45 degrees, and lightly tap on the nickel sheet to complete the spot welding. Welding point after spot welding are round and firm. This is the operation process of the spot welding machine. Thanks for watching.